Yeah, man, I'm finna show y'all how to make calls. Well, I'm gonna show you how the WAM lead system work as far as um making calls and how the dialer works and how it actually sends out automated text and voicemail if they don't answer, right? So I'm gonna pick a list uh, for a property I actually have on a contract that I need to get rid of ASAP. Gotta get these properties gone, boy. Yeah, man, this buyer dollar is crazy. This dollar period is crazy because you can do this for sellers and buyers. But right now in this demonstration, we just call them buyers, right? If they don't answer, it's send a text and a voicemail, right? This is crazy. You know what I mean? I dreamed for things like this in the past. You see what I'm saying? So let's see if this guy answered the phone.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Wonderful.
Good. Yeah, this Joe. I was calling because I had a property in Illinois and I'm selling in Pekin, Illinois. Do you buy over there?
Which part of town?
Pekin, Illinois.
What's it? Canton? No.
Pekin. I think that's how you pronounce it. Pekin.
Pekin?
Yeah, Illinois.
Okay. What do you have?
I have.
Yeah, no, I'm not interested.
How much would you pay for that area?
Is that part of town?
Yeah.
That area floods out quite a bit. So there's very little I would give for that house just because of the risk factor, and we wouldn't be able to get insurance.
Okay. So how much would you pay?
Probably 15.
Okay. At 15, could we close next week?
It just depends on how fast the attorney can get paperwork.
What attorney
how
do
do I
you
see the
use?
inside?
Okay, so Wednesday the property manager can show you afternoon, like after 12 o'clock Wednesday. So just let me know what time you want to do a walk.
Okay, I got your phone number. I'll call you back.
All right.
Yep.
All right. So yeah, this guy, see, I'm not familiar with this area, right? And I got this property at a really good price. But I see why I got it at a good price because everybody's like, oh, that area sucks, or like you said, it's in the flood zone, whatever. But it's gonna be an easy wholesale deal. I'm not even tripping on that. But and then you see it just sent a text and a voicemail, even though I just talked to him. So yeah, you're never gonna miss a lead with this WAM lead system. I actually just wanna make sure I get this dude's information. But anyway, let's move on. Let's see what else we find, baby. We trying to close us some deals. What the hell is going on here? Go back. Yeah.
Hello, this is Lenny. Please leave a message.
What's up, Lenny? Lenny, you looking to buy some deals, pal? Man, we dropping so many voicemails on these buyers and these sellers, man. AI answering calls and man, it's
48555.
like I got like a crazy machine going, man. Like something that has never been seen before, man. You know what I'm saying? 2026 got to have systems in place, man. You understand? 2026 time to get rich.
Hello?
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Good. Yeah, this Joe. I was seeing you still buying properties right now?
Well, I'm always buying.
Okay, yeah, I got one in Illinois.
The one on Derby Street?
Yeah.
Yeah, I might go by and take a peek at it, but without me looking at it, I feel like I'm probably not interested. But I
Mm.
mean, it's got it to be in that part of town. It's got to be real. It's got to be real cheap. But
What's real cheap?
what were you asking? 39 or something?
Yeah, but you can make
Yeah.
an offer on it.
So you just got some paper on it.
Yeah, I'm holding.
You got it under contract.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah. I don't know what do you. I mean, what do you got it for? I might get you out of it, but I'm not. It might not be one to make money on. I
Yeah.
don't know if I really want to do one down there. It's just kind of sus down there. It's kind of a neighborhood where shit gets stolen, and you know what I mean. It's not. I typically do a little bit nicer stuff than that, and
I mean,
I just sold one over by the park, so I've only got a couple in inventory right now, so I'm kind of starting to look. I mean, I'm definitely a Tazewell County guy, but Pekin, I'm pretty much don't mess around with the South Side much.
yeah, I mean, for the right price, I'm pretty sure it'll work for you.
I got one, for 50 up by the park, and I just got done doing it. Sold it for 139. So,
You got plenty cash. Then you ready? You ready to buy some more deals? Then.
oh yeah, I can buy whenever I want to buy. I got to be the right deal.
Okay. So
So, are you getting them from the? Are you going to the Tazewell County auction at the? Are you buying them at the? The county auction, or how are you getting a hold of them? Oh wait, you said you didn't actually buy it. You just got it under contract.
that's correct. Yeah.
Yeah. No, and I appreciate what you guys do. I've dealt with some guys that have done that before, but it'll be something that's real good.
Yeah, this is this is
And
this is this will be a good one, man. I mean, you can look at the property on Wednesday after 12 o'clock, but if you want to ride by it,
is it occupied?
no, it's vacant, but the property manager hasn't put a lockbox on it, so and he has some stuff in there, so he wanted to show it, on Wednesday uh,
Mm-hmm.
after 12 o'clock. So, but if you want to ride by and look at the outside or whatever.
Yeah. Well, I mean, like I said, how much do you got in it on your contract?
I gotta check, cause my team, they locked it up, so I gotta double check the exact price, but, um, I'm pretty sure, we can make a deal happen.
Well, it just depends. It'd have to be cheaper than where you're at. I mean,
Okay.
to me, like
What's a smoking deal price over there?
I haven't even looked at it, so I can't. When I talk a number, it's usually because I've looked at it and I can make you an offer, and I'm not in a position to do it because I haven't looked at that one. So,
Mm.
but I am kind of looking, and I don't even know how you got my name. I don't mind you sending me deals on like stuff that you have, and I buy Tazewell County a lot, but and I even buy properties in Pekin, but I'm pretty picky about where I buy at in Pekin, and that's the wrong side of 14th and the wrong side of Derby.
I got you. I got you. Well, yeah, man.
I mean, it's literally right across the street from the Salvation Army, and there's just a lot of vagrants that hang around down there.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. Well, yeah, man.
But if it was super cheap, I might be able to make it work somehow. But I just have to look at it and tell you what I thought it was worth.
We can get it cheap. We can get it cheap, man. Just if you ride by today, let me know. And and we go from there.
All right, I'll try to take a look at it or have one of my guys look at it.
No problem. Thanks.
All right.
All right. All right. See, man. See the dollar is working, man. You have the dialer already built inside of the Wham Lead system. Can't go wrong. Got the automated text and voicemail. If they don't answer, can't go wrong. Got the voicemail drop AI answering service. Can't go wrong, right? So this deal I consider it sold because we got it under contract for a sweet price. I put it out at 39, but we actually got it way cheaper than that. So who was this calling right now? I think my team should answer that. And they're gonna get punished if they don't answer that. Yeah, they answered it. Need to answer faster. But anyway, let's go to the next lead. And this thing jumping, like, why is it tweaking like that?
Yes, sir. What you selling?
Hey, how you doing? I got one in Pekin, Illinois. You still buying out there?
Depends on what it is. What you got?
I got one on Derby.
What is it? Single family or multifamily?
It's a single family.
Single family. I probably would not buy a single family. What's the address? What are you asking for?
30,000 is 258 Derby.
258 Derby. Does it?
You know what?
Go ahead.
I think I
What?
texted to you, but it was like kind of during the holidays. Yeah, 258 Derby Street.
Okay. I'm not saying I don't buy single family. I mean, it has to be a really good opportunity for me because typically what I do for single family is it's not a long-term hold position for me, but it might be something I would buy and then, if it needs repairs or whatever, probably sell it or flip it within, 24 months. But, I definitely do buy them. That market is not my ideal and peaking for single family, but multifamily, I mean, I've got 6 closings here. I mean, I had 2 closings today. I had a closing last week, and I got 2 closings on Friday. So, if you have anything like that, certainly let me know. But I'll look at this, and if it is something that I'm interested in, 258 Derby, I will. I'll let you know. And then I know a lot of other contacts too. My day job is I'm a State Farm agent, but I do a lot of real estate, and I know probably half of the buyers in the area. So because they're my clients.
Gotcha. Okay.
So, yep. So if it's not something I'm interested in, I'll send it out to a couple people with your number. But yeah, keep me posted on anything that comes up.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you look at it and want to see the inside, you can look at the inside on Wednesday after 12 o'clock.
258. How did you come across it?
Well, I'm just wholesaling it. We do a lot of marketing throughout the United States. So,
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Is it Derby? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, I found it here. 258 Derby. Is it a bank repo or?
Nah, it's just someone who owned it for a while and they're ready to go ahead and sell it.
Gotcha. I wonder if it's still got all that stuff in the yard.
Yeah.
258 Derby, 30 grand.
Yeah, I mean, if you could ride by it when you get a chance and see what you think.
Okay.
If it's worth walking through and then make an offer, we can get it closed.
Okay. All right. And typically I just do cash offers stuff. Yeah. Okay. I'll glance at it here, and then if not, I'll send it to someone else and see if they're interested in it. 30 grand or best offer, I guess.
Yep.
Cool. Anything else on the horizon?
That's it for now in that area, but I'm working. You buying Peoria too?
Peoria, I mean, anywhere in Peoria, Tazewell, or Woodford County. Those are my main markets I deal with.
Okay, might be a pretty good market, huh?
Well, if you get in the right area, I'm generally a long-term hold guy, but I prefer Woodford and Tazewell County. Peoria and Pekin are kind of like lower end stuff, not that you can't make money on it. It's just, good tenants, and, you're not going to get a whole lot of appreciation in the property over time. It's just, so you got to run across a pretty good deal if it's in Peoria or Pekin. When you get over to like Woodford or Tazewell County, typically everything I buy I hold because the appreciation in the property, and then great tenants, high rent prices, great school districts. Like those are great areas. No one wants to live in Pekin or Peoria, so they all want to go across the river in Tazewell and Woodford County.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. All right. I'll let you know if I'm interested. I'll give you a ring back if I am, and if not, I'll pass it along.
That'll work. Thanks, man. Man, so you see the dollar's working, man. is working pretty amazing. I already got 3 buyers in 5 minutes that's ready to close because I have it at a great price. So it's going to be very easy to sell. A no-brainer. But yeah, if y'all want to test this system out, click the link below. Book a demo with me. I'll show you around the Wham Lead software. And let's close some deals, man. 2026, time to get rich or richer. All right? So that's it. Bando. Peace.